I never believed that I'm going to be able to start creating AI video unlimited without having to buy credit or without having to switch from one account to another. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to start using your smartphone to create unlimited AI video. When I say unlimited, I don't mean you will use credit and your credit will get exhausted. In this particular update, you don't even need credit. You don't even need to switch from one account to another. But still, you are going to be able to use different AI agents to be able to create video completely free. When I say free, I mean it's totally free. So stick around with me. Do not skip any part of this video. To blow your mind, guys, I actually bought this particular update, meaning that I paid someone to tell me about this update. But on this video, I'm going to be giving you guys the update totally free. I will not charge anyone. I'm here giving it to you guys free. But personally, I bought this update from someone online. So without wasting time, guys, let me take you guys to my phone right now and show you guys how you can be able to start creating unlimited AI video using your smartphone without having to run out of credit, without having to switch from one account to another, or without experiencing any difficulty that may make you not to enjoy this particular platform I'm about to introduce you to. So thank you guys for stopping around today. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to hit that subscription button down below. Importantly, turn on that bell icon so that whenever I post any new video, YouTube will send you notification immediately. Please, to support the channel, do not forget to like this video you are watching right now, and do not forget to share it so that people out there will also get to know about this. Let me now take you in and teach you how you can be able to create your account, how you can be able to set it up, how you can be able to start generating video or images completely free of charge without having to buy credit, without having to do KYC, without needing any credit or debit card, without having to go through any hassle that might put you under stress just to create video. On this video, watch to the end. This is me urging you not to skip any part, because all the parts, all the steps are very, very important that you understand it. So right now, let's dive in. Let me show you how you can be able to start creating this video unlimited starting today. The first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store. All right, go to your Play Store, then come to the search bar, then search for Gen V. Okay, Gen V, like this. Go ahead and search for it. You can see this particular app right here. Go ahead to install it on your phone. Okay, after installing it, go ahead and click on open, and once you click on open, just allow it to open immediately. Now, this is the particular app that I told you guys that I actually paid to know about. Like, this is totally free app, but this nigga out there, they will only tell you to make payment, that you will get this, and at the end of the day you will find out that the whole thing is supposed to be free. That is why I choose to give it to you guys totally free without charging anybody. So over here, guys, listen closely, because a lot of things may sound a little bit confusing right here. So this is it. We have the image generator right here, and we also have the image generator right here, and we have the video generator right here. So if you want to be generating image, you come to this side, but if you want to be generating video, you come to this side. Just like I told you guys, you do not need credit. You can create unlimited video, but the only downside is that you have to watch adverts. But I'm still grateful to know about this, because watching adverts is minor, and of course the value I'm getting for creating content every day without limitation, and I only have to watch just an advert, is not something that should worry me. Okay, now for the sake of this tutorial, I have already generated an image. Okay, I have generated an image using my ChatGPT. Okay, so over here with my ChatGPT, I've generated this image, and also I have generated this prompt right here. So what I need to do is to download this image right now. I'm going to be using it for the video. So right now I will click on this button right here to upload the image. I will click on upload, then I'll select the image, then the image is going to be uploaded right here. Now I have to put my the video script right here, or what I want this image to do. So I will come right here to my ChatGPT. I will go ahead to copy this script. Okay, once I have copied the script, then I will head back to this platform called Gen V. Then I will go ahead to paste the script right there. This is where it gets a little bit confusing. Looking over here, you can see we have free video, and when you click on it, click on this drop down again, you can see you can use Grok, you can use Google VEO 3.5 3.1 fast. We have Google V VEO 3.1 Lite, and we have Google VEO 3. You can choose any of these, but I'm going to be continuing with free video for the sake of this tutorial. So I will leave my aspect ratio to 16:19. Then I'm going to change the resolution to 720. Okay, so right now I will go back right now. Then what will happen right here is that when I click, let me show you something real quick. Okay, let me show you something real quick. So this free video is going to be generating 5 seconds video for you, but assuming you select maybe Google VEO 3.1, you are going to be having 8 seconds video as the duration. But when you select this, when you select maybe this one right here, I think it's the same thing. Let me try this one as well, the same thing. But when you come over here to Grok, it's going to ask you to upgrade. Let's go back like this, but this Grok gives us a better advantage. But let's just continue with this free one. I will continue with free video for the sake of this tutorial. I will leave this one and this one like this. Then I will go back. Then I have to simply click on create. When I click on create, they are going to be showing me a couple of adverts which I just need to watch. After watching the adverts, my video is going to be generated immediately. So without wasting time, I will go ahead to click on create. And right now, after watching the ad, you can see our video is being created right now. Just as you can see, our video is being created right now. Let's just give it a little moment and the video is going to be ready immediately. And right now, we are almost there. Our video is almost ready. And right now, just as you can see, the video is ready. You can see the video right now. The video is very ready. Now the question in everyone's mind is, how do you actually download it? Clearly, you only have to come over here, then press this download button. But when you press this download button, they are going to be showing you another advert, and when they show you the advert, you simply need to watch the advert and the video is going to be saved to your device. Okay, so this is simply how you create unlimited AI video without having to buy credit or without having to switch from one account to another just for you to continue creating video. With this method, you can create as much video as you want. Right now, when you click on this straight drop down right here, then you click over here on assets. Okay, now when you click on assets, you are going to see all the videos that you have generated so far. All of them are going to be showing right here. Okay, now this, sometimes you do have an error. Do not panic about that. Sometimes you do have an error, and these are all the videos that I have generated so far. Going back right now, you can see this notice right here. They said data older than 7 days will be deleted. Please download to keep it, meaning that after generating your video, you have to download it, because if you do not download it, they are going to remove it. So make sure you download your video immediately after you generate it. So this is very simple, and if you have created an image, you simply come over here to image. You will see it right here, but in this case, I have not created any image. Just like I said at the beginning of the video, you can create unlimited AI video through this method, through this app. The only thing is just that you have to watch an ad. It's surprising to know that I actually paid to get this update, but I'm still grateful for that because I can now create unlimited AI video. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm going to be stopping here right now. If you find the video really interesting, please do well to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And if you've already done that, do not forget to like this video. It keeps the video going viral, and of course it motivates me to make more educational video. And most importantly, share this video and drop an interesting comment on the comment section. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll be speaking to you on the next video that I will be sharing very soon.